Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by physically connecting displays. Do that now. Plug the primary monitor into your graphics port and power it on. Make sure the monitor input matches the cable. Once done, attach the second display to the next available port. If you have an adapter, use it. You want Windows to see one device at a time to avoid driver confusion, so pause after each connection. Next, sign into Windows and keep both monitors awake, so the system can detect them and proceed to configuration. You now open Display Settings and identify monitors. Press Identify so numbers appear on screens. This tells you which is which. Once identified, select Extend these displays to expand your desktop. Rearrange the screen layout by dragging to match physical placement. Make sure to set resolutions and scaling per monitor so text and windows appear consistent. Then choose a primary display for taskbar and Start menu. This control lets you place apps where you expect them and prevents mismatched sizes. You finish by applying changes and testing. Drag a window across both screens to confirm extended mode works and check the taskbar behavior. If apps look blurry, update your GPU drivers via Device Manager or the vendor package to ensure proper scaling and performance. If Windows does not detect a monitor, make sure cables and ports are good, unplug, reboot, and reconnect in a different order. If that still fails, swap cables or try another port. Often physical connection fixes detection problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.